again. It's a rich thing.
Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best 3D printer kits in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 10. Creality CR10S 3D Printer. Straight from the house of Creality, the CR10S is an FDM 3D printer that is made for absolute beginners and can be used to print basic to moderate level models. For the first month, my Creality 3D CR10S 3D printer had very few issues. It came with a warped aluminum bed bowed downward in the center that I was willing to deal with, as it seems to be a pretty common occurrence with this printer. There was also a slight issue when adjusting the Z-axis too quickly, as the machine would freak out and try to drive its nozzle into the build plate indefinitely. This was solved by not manually adjusting the Z-axis too quickly and powering off the machine if you accidentally did adjust it too quickly. Creality CR10S large size 3D printer resume printing while the power off the motherboard is fully upgraded and supports continuous power failure, which effectively reduces model scrapping caused by power outages. Linear pulley system is included with V-Profile plus precision pulley, running more smoothly, more wear resistant. Number 9. Snapmaker Store 2.0 3D Printer. The 2.0 3D printer from the Snapmaker is a combination of excellent features and quality. It is perfect for both beginners and professionals alike. Integrating only the finest quality components, it takes pride in high accuracy and durability, which makes possible the high-resolution 3D printing, engraving, cutting, and carving. The high-performance aluminum alloys are made into precision, reliable parts of Snapmaker modules after a series of processing steps. A 350T/A250T not only looks premium, but also consistently delivers high performance. All the Snapmaker models are built to last. For Snapmaker 2.0 series, we pushed the boundaries of all metal construction even further. All modules and major components are made of high-strength metal. One of the big reasons why a 350T/A250T can support various modules and add-ons is that we have innovatively adopted the CAN, Controller Area Network, bus expansion. A special chip is built inside the controller to transmit all messages, which allows easy modification and inclusion of additional ports and controls in the future. Say no to unfinished prints or air printing. Equipped with a filament runout sensor, the machine will remind you when the filament has run out. Number 8. shohel 3D Printer Kit. Next on our list is a very stylish and neat-looking 3D printer, the shohel. shohel can all be assembled in a half hour, simply DIY 10 minutes setup and running. Can print outputs of the size 305 by 305 by 320 millimeters. Comes with a 2.8 inches HD colored touchscreen for interface toggling. Filament run out detection notifies you on the screen when the printing runs out of filament, and the resume print function remembers the preset program so that it resumes the printing when the filament is reintroduced. The resume print function also gives you a power failure safety protection feature in cases of power outages. Included leveling program with a simple adjustment knob will let you level the bed for better accuracy and precision. Comes with a free 250 grams filament, can print with wood, SLA, and also ABS. Modular assembly, easy and fast assembly. Number 7. SainSmart X Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D Printer. The next one in our list is a Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D printer from SainSmart. This is an upgraded version of Ender 3 that gives you more printing fun. Aluminum material for superior, durable and stronger build quality that is easier to operate. Resume print feature gives you the flexibility to be able to pause and resume at will. Its CMAG magnetic sticker is removable, flexible, and can adhere to platform. All you need to remove the upper from lower and bend the print surface to pop off the printing surface. It is redesigned with more sturdy 40 by 40 aluminum extrusion for the Y-axis base to provide stability and delivers a better print quality. Comes with advanced extruder technology with upgrader extruder. It helps in reducing the risk of clogged nozzle. A rapid heating of hot bed from regular to 110 degrees Celsius in just under 5 minutes. Number 6. Creality Ender Pro 3D Printer. The Ender Pro is one of the best 3D printers from the brand Creality. And moreover, it is available in a budget-friendly price range, fully open source, allow users to improve their printer upon the source code and share the changes within the community, resulting in an improved experience for all. The ideal gift for kids. This semi-assembled kit 3D printer is a perfect gift for kid. Allow them to learn about the basic construction of 3D printers, ideal for STEM projects. Invite imagination and innovation to student, help them discover the wonders of all the STEM fields. This easy-to-set-up kit comes partially assembled, allowing you to learn about the basic construction of 3D printers as you finish putting it together. A fun STEM educational experience in mechanical engineering and electronics. Improved build surface provides protection to your heated bed and easy to remove the printing models after cooling. Ender 3 Pro can resume printing after power outage or any other unexpected stoppage. Branded power supply and high-watt hot bed ensure fast heating to the printing platform. Greatly reduces the risk of clogged nozzle and bad extrusion. Number 5. Voxelab Aquila 3D Printer. Next on our list is Voxelab's Aquila 3D Printer. Voxelab specializes in developing advanced 3D printers and 3D printer resins with easy-to-use features. The carbon crystal silicon glass plate helps in fast heating with a heating time of 5 minutes. The adjustable pulley ensures that if there is a power cut in the middle of printing, you can resume accurate printing once the power is back. It is easy to install the 3D printer as it comes partially assembled. Besides, the toolbox comes integrated with the printer. The power supply is located within the body of the 3D printer. This ensures safety while you are assembling the printer. The XY axis adjuster helps in the quick adjustment of the belt tightness. There is a color screen with a rotary knob that provides an improved user experience. The 3D printer works on open source technology. This makes it easier to download software updates and choose your favorite firmware without any restrictions. Number 4. Anycubic Mega S 3D Printer. Next on our list is an FDM printer from the house of Anycubic. This FDM printer works great for beginners, as it comes with a user-friendly touchscreen. It is quick and easy to assemble the printer with 3 simple steps, which save your time and let you enjoy printing and creation. Its high-quality Titan extruder is compatible with most filaments and thus provides precise extrusion for printing and reduce plugging risk. The rigid metal frame of this printer will minimize the shaking and thus improve the print quality. This Mega S 3D printer will resume printing after power outage or any other unexpected stoppage. It has sensor detection that pauses prints and sets off an alarm when you're running out of filament. Its ultra-base printing platform surface has patented microporous coating with adhesion when printing and falls off bed when it cooled. It has TFT touchscreen for an easy-to-operate. Number 3. JGMaker Magic 3D Printer DIY Kit. The JGMaker Magic is a 3D printer that comes with filament runout detection sensors, making it a great pick. Filament runout detection, which warns the user when there is any problem with the filament or when the filament runs out. Resume print function that will remember the presets during power outages and resume the printing when power comes back. Can print modules of the size 220 by 220 by 250 mm or 8.6 inches x 8.6 inches x 9.8 inches. Has an industry-grade high-quality silicone wiring, power supply. Stowed away beneath the base for better safety and security. Hot plug-in feature for the SD card makes it easy for you to remove the SD card even during the printing process. Simply reinsert the SD card to resume printing. Has a sturdy metal base and comes with a side filament holder that facilitates simpler filament change that does not disturb the printing process. Easily removable printing base for better flexibility. Number 2. Longer LK4 3D Printer DIY Kit. Next on our list is an FDM from the house of Longer, a standalone Chinese 3D printer manufacturing company. This FDM printer comes with a user-friendly touchscreen that increases the usability of the machine. A 2.8-inch full-color display touchscreen with a user-friendly UI. Makes model previews and offline printing processes much easier. Heating bed with a unique tempered glass plate for the resolution of warped bed issues. Comes with a sturdy aluminum frame for longevity. The printer is equipped with a uniquely developed, intelligent and user-friendly operating system, resume and recover printing functionalities included. In case of power outages or power loss, the printer remembers the printing presets, and when the power comes back, it resumes back the printing. The power supply is hidden and placed below the flatbed to ensure proper safety for the users. The printer comes with 12 months of warranty and also round-the-clock support. Number 1. Combro Creality Ender 3 3D Printer. First on our list is a Creality Ender 3 3D printer from Combro. Creality's Ender is an award-winning printing technology, and Combro's printer customization comes with DIY resume print features. Aluminum material for superior and stronger build quality. Resume print feature gives you the flexibility to be able to pause and resume it with a fast and easy to assemble in under 2 hours. Most of the machine comes with some pre-assembly and needs only 20 nuts to assemble it. Comes with advanced extruder technology with upgraded extruder. It helps in the reduction of plugging risk, noiseless and smooth movement with the durable V-shaped POM wheels, rapid heating of the hotbed from regular to 110 degrees Celsius in just under 5 minutes. Allow users to improve their printer upon the source code and share the changes within the community, resulting in an improved experience for all. Of this semi-assembled kit 3D printer is a perfect gift for kids. Allow them to learn about the basic construction of 3D printers.